confidential.
Itong dapat, that's why they're talking of the market.
Yeah.
Meron tayong model na dapat sundan Because sa akin, yung importanting element ng PPP sa akin, it must be pro-people, pro-bagyo.
Yeah.
Hindi lang pro-developer. If we make these three basic elements go.
I see.
Because gaya ng sa public market, we crafted the Ordinance Series of 1995 na sa tingin ko substantially it's pro-people. Bakit? And pro-bagyo. Because kahit na kung sakaling may developer na papasok, yung first and second floor na this is the important choice of development. Kahit na gawin ng developer yan, it will remain as property of the city government. Hindi kukunin yung developer yan. It will be operated by the city na walang paki ang developer. And dito mo, i-accommodate lahat yung mga, that's why it's pro-people, doing business in the market. Na walang ma-displace. Meron pang sobra dyan na I think 180 or 380 stores.
I see.
Na yung measurement, kung di ako nagkamali, is 3 by 7 meters.
3 by 7 meters.
Oo. So, medyo malawak kaya. Na yung babayaran, yun siguro ma-revise. Under that ordinance is 5.75 centavos, 5 pesos and 75 centavos per square meter. Masyadong mababa yan. So siguro ma-revise yan. Kung sana yun yung, just to me an example of, sinasabi natin na pro-people, pro-bagyo.
Na public
and then it's only for a period of 30 years.
30 years.
After 30 years, lahat ng improvements will become property of the city na without any obligation to pay the value of the same.
You're listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.